single episode, I make a point of asking Alan and putting him on the spot. And I ask about parallels in the animal kingdom with our furry and not so furry friends. So what can you tell me about parallels? Anything we've discussed today, did anything flash in your brain? Anything that we've observed that you know will blow my mind?
Well, pride's an easy one in some ways because you can look at high and low status individuals and our primate cousins. You can look at chimps. You can look at gorillas. Gorillas literally have the chest beating behavior. So mountain gorillas will chest beat after they kind of win a battle, which is one of the most hilarious behaviors. I think it's my favorite animal behavior because it's a full body expression with the vocalization, with the chest beating, and we see it in humans basically too. It's so viscerally something we do. In chimps, we see, basically alpha male expresses something like pride all the time, kind of running around, gesticulating wildly, swinging really, really strongly around. And you see piloerection, they look bigger, their posture is big as they're walking around on 2 feet, which is funny to see. Yeah, really interesting parallels there. We see parallels for shame as well. So after an animal is sort of victimized, kind of prostrates itself or slumps and wants to make itself small.
And not to go back to the well, but you told us about a phenomenal experiment involving capuchin monkeys last week, Alan. Did any of that feed into this? It sounds like a lot of this stuff we've observed naturally, but did we ever do any kind of experiments? And I know this is not your devoted area of expertise. You're just a smart person. I'm asking this, so don't worry.
So I talked about admiration, right, which is a mix of like pride and awe. We feel admiration toward people we identify with, who we think are in the same group as us, accomplishing things. And with capuchins, this is kind of the same experiment where they give them money and they can pay for things. One of the really funny findings is that they're willing to pay for pictures of the alpha male.
Trading cards.
Yeah.
Sometimes
100%.
over food, over pornography. Well, maybe not over pornography. That's their favorite thing to pay for. But it's very interesting when you give capuchins this economy. You really see what they value.
I can't believe that the second favorite thing is the photos of alpha males. That's wild.
It's incredible. Yeah.
Do they do anything once they obtain the photo? Do they trade the photos like cards or anything like that, or no? Are they very possessive of it once they have it?
I don't think they give them the photos. I think they just present them. But that would be an interesting experiment as well. If you give them stuff to trade.
So they're paying just to look at them.
Yeah, just to look. They pay to see the alpha male. It's incredible.
I told you this is a whole other podcast we're going to start. I'm telling you, 100%. This is a whole other show.